An Imperial Affliction.
Okay. What's that?
It's a novel. It's my favorite novel.
Wait. Does it have zombies in it?
Zombies? No.
Stormtroopers?
No, it's not that kind of a book.
Okay, what's it about?
Cancer.
About cancer?
But not like that. Trust me, it's amazing. The author, his name is Peter Van Houten. He's the only person I've ever come across in my life who, A, understands what it's like to be dying, but B, hasn't actually died.
Okay. I will read this horrible book with this very boring title that does not include zombies or stormtroopers, and in exchange, you will read this. This haunting yet brilliant novelization of my favorite video game.
Counterinsurgents.
Yeah, don't laugh. It's awesome. It's about honor and sacrifice and bravery and heroism. It's about embracing your destiny and leaving a mark on the world.
Oh, thank you.
Well, wait, your hands are so cold.
Oh, they're not so much cold, it's just under-oxygenated.
Hazel Grace? I love it when you talk medical to me.